Hello and welcome to Adam and Craig Do Stuff, where today we are doing Warwick Castle. It's been quite some time since we've been here to Warwick Castle, isn't it?
I know, we were wearing masks and everything.
We were,
last time,
yes,
weren't we?
it was. It was during lockdown.
Wild time that was.
Yeah. We're just having a little nice stroll through the Peacock Garden. They're calling it the biggest summer ever. They've got quite a lot of shows on, haven't they, over the summer?
So if you think you've been to a big summer here before, it's got nothing on this. So we've got Falconer's Quest, as always, is on, which is an amazing show.
Yep, we've seen
War
that a
of the
couple of
Roses.
times. We've never seen that one.
No, we haven't. Every time we because I think they only do it in summer, so we never usually come in the summer holidays. But we're here. I can't wait for that. I've been wanting to see that for some years now. There's lots going on here. What's all that about? Don't know what that is. And then, of course, we are here for Dragon Slayer, which we have never done.
No.
And we are extremely excited for, because it looks like an amazing show.
It does look really good. I watched a trailer online and that looks amazing.
So that'll be in a different vlog, so go check that out. It'll be up here. Obviously, with it being the summer holidays, it is quite a busy day today.
Yeah, never seen it this busy before.
So I don't know whether we'll be going in the castle, as long as the sun is shining. But we're definitely going to go see Falconer's Quest, definitely going to see War of the Roses. We might go see the Trebuchet as well.
I definitely want to go up the tower.
Yeah, we'll go up with the Ramparts and everything. But yeah, it's going to be a nice day at Warwick Castle, I think. It's going to be fun. There's a Zog show on, that's what that is. Here it is, all set up for Dragon Slayer later. Are you excited, Adam?
I am indeed.
So the first show that's on today is the War of the Roses show, so we're going to go see some men go at each other with massive poles. Are you excited for that?
I am actually, yeah, we've never seen this one before.
Got a bit of man-on-man action. That starts in about 15 minutes, I think, so we're going to go and queue up. People are already queued up, I don't know if you can see. Oh, it's so busy. But we wanted to see this show for ages, so we're quite excited. I love horses.
I don't know why we've never seen it.
We love a bit of violence as well, who doesn't? So, it'll be fun.
Now, long live King Edward!
just done War of the Roses. Did you enjoy, Adam?
Yeah, I did actually. Yeah,
Very
that
good
was
show, wasn't
that
it?
was fun.
Typical story of male violence and jealousy and all that kind of stuff, isn't it? Really?
Is it based on a true story?
Yeah.
Oh,
The War of the Roses.
okay.
But yeah, there was some great stunts in there, some really good horse work.
Yeah.
I like the bit at the end as well where I can't remember what they called them, the horse trick people. I can't remember exactly what they were called, but they came out and they did some other tricks, didn't they? Where they're like hanging off the horses and stuff. Fair play to them. That scared the life out of me, that would.
Yeah, I know. I'd worry about falling off and getting trodden on.
A few pyrotechnics in there as well.
Yeah.
Walking through the tree. Streamers at the end. A really nice show. It's a really good show. And it's more than the same as we said with the falconry. If you've watched our previous vlog, and probably what we will say later, is that it's not just jousting, is it? There's a
No,
whole,
there's like a story
there's
to
a
it.
story
and
to it. Which they tell really well. There's acting. There's fights in the middle. Like other than it's just really well put together and really well executed, isn't it? And great to see a powerful woman as well. Now, you know, on this channel we're absolute couple of lads, so we're going to go check out some birds now, aren't we? Oi, oi!
Falconer's quest is just amazing, isn't it?
Stunning.
Absolutely
stunning.
Yeah, so much going on in that show. Loads of different birds, small birds, big birds, owls, hawks, eagles, all sorts really. And I think what sets it apart from other bird shows is that a lot of bird shows, they'll just fly the birds to one another to tell you a few facts about the birds. But this one's got music, it's got a story, smoke,
a boat.
Yeah, a boat, yeah.
Some wrath thing. Some very tight trousers, they're all in proper like costume, aren't they?
Yeah,
It's
yeah,
just
like old age.
Old age.
Like,
Old age costumes.
Well, I don't know what age it's from. Like
Well, like a
age.
cardigan, you mean?
No, not like old people, like the old ages.
Yeah, whatever age it's from.
Yeah.
I don't actually.
Yeah.
I don't know. My history is not very good. I'll be quite honest with you.
No. No.
But no, it's an incredible show. It's so much different to just your ordinary falconry show, and that sets it apart so much.
Yeah.
And that. Go on.
I'd say it's one of the better bird shows we've ever seen. I'd say like
Probably the best.
one of the top 2 bird shows we've ever seen.
Yeah, I think the only one that competes with it is Wild Zoological
yeah,
Park,
Zoological
'cause
Park.
that is an incredible show as well. I think the only difference with this one is there's more of a story to it, but there's potentially more birds in Wild, and they're sort of tropical as well. But it's just an absolutely stunning show. It's absolutely fantastic. And that bit at the end, especially where they just fly all of the birds out round, it's just absolutely stunning. It's absolutely stunning. It did start raining at one point. We were a bit worried.
Yeah, it did. It did. Lasted for only about a few minutes.
But it's Britain. What can you do?
Yeah. And it's on a nice setting, isn't it, on that river as well. Really nice.
It's a really nice area.
Nice
and to be
do
fair,
it.
like when we used to come, I can't remember when Falconer's Quest first started, but when we used to come years ago, it just the falconry show used to be out on the lawn, sort of around there, and it was pretty much a standard bird show, and so this step up they took from that to Falconer's Quest is
Yeah.
just unbelievable.
One thing I do miss though is that when the Falconer's Quest wasn't going on, you used to be able to walk around the aviaries, didn't you? And you used to be able to look at the birds.
Yes,
Yeah.
I think that was when it was the old. I think they stopped that once Falconer's Quest came
Yeah,
on.
I think
they
you're
fenced-
right.
But yeah, you used to be able to walk up and just see the birds when they weren't on show, but you can't do that anymore.
No.
But it's just stunning. It's an absolutely stunning show. It's a really, really nice show. I'm not quite sure what the plan's going to be now. Maybe go up and walk around the castle a bit, because we've got plenty of time until we need till Dragon Slayer starts. In fact, we need to leave, don't we? You have to leave and then come back for Dragon Slayer.
You have to have a separate ticket.
Yeah.
For it, yeah.
So we'll probably go up and walk around the castle. Probably not going to go inside because it's horrendous here in terms of the crowd levels. It's absolutely insane. It's manic. So we probably won't be going indoor because the anxiety won't handle it. Ramparts now, haven't we? All round
Up there.
see the
Yeah.
view from up there. We did the Time Tower. It's been a long time. It's been a long time since we've done the Time Tower, haven't we? It's quite a nice
Yeah,
little,
I forgot all about it if I'm honest. Yeah, it
nice
was
little
nice.
walk through. We did pop in the castle temporarily, but it's just chaos and hell in there.
Yeah,
isn't
it
So
is. It's a very busy
very
day.
long inside there. Horrible Histories Maze has had some updates, hasn't it?
It has. I do prefer the old version of it though. To be fair, I think it seemed like there was more to do previously.
Yeah, I do
Yeah.
feel like there was a little bit. It's a shame that the old Viking ship has gone, because that used to be really. I mean, that went quite a while ago, but there was a really nice proper Viking ship there, whereas now it's just some pieces of wood, isn't it?
Yeah.
To be honest. But there's some good photo opportunities there. There's some chimneys in there for the Victorian age for you to sit in, and that kind of thing. And I like they built the whole platform so that you can see. You know, often when
yeah,
you
that
get
was
to the
good
middle of
actually.
the maze and you go up and you can see the sort of route. Not that it helps much.
What's going on over there?
Some sort of archery man, but he was shouting at the people on the castle. I'm not quite sure why. Obviously, we will be back here for the Dragon Slayer. That's going to be absolutely fantastic, considering the calibre of the shows like War of the Roses and Falconer's Quest. I've got really high hopes for this, haven't you?
Yeah, really enjoyed both
I really
of them
think it's
shows.
going to be a good show. But yeah, for now, we're just going to get some food in Warwick, and then we'll come back for Dragon Slayer. Thank you for watching for now. Go and watch the Dragon Slayer video, like, comment and subscribe to us, and we will see you very soon at night next time we do stuff.